and welcome to a bit of a different vlog. Before school started, I took my kids to visit my sister, and so these are a few tidbits of our adventures together. Hi, Fran. Gills, I think is what it's called.
Yeah, the gills. Whoa, look at that thing. Are these toxic?
I don't know enough about them, so it's probably safer just to not eat them. Oh, look, little oak seedlings.
Maybe it's an apple or a cherry.
This is a walnut tree. Black walnut tree. Ooh. Hello, friends. Hello. Hey, don't go too close. We don't chase them. Look, they're coming over, buddy. Hey, geese. They're like, what are they saying? Oh, back up.
You want to pee?
Oh, they're all lined up. Look at them. They got their battle defenses up. Oh, whoa. Go on. Go on. Pleased to meet you. Oh, friend.
Look how small they are. Aren't they cute?
Babies. Oh, hi, Mama.
Where's the mom?
She's right there. That's the mama.
Would she get mad if we touch the babies?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, it looks like Daddy's been fighting. Looks like Daddy's right there. I think that might be Dad. He looks like he's been fighting, huh?
Yeah, because the
There
feather.
we go. Good babies. Good duckies. Oh, see, look, he loves it. He loves the pee. Look over here. There's one getting really close. Right here. He wants
Hello,
that pee.
friend.
Want to give him that pee?
Can you give him a pee?
Throw it for him. Throw it.
Good
Oh, there he
job.
goes. That's it. You gotta
Good.
give him smaller pieces. Oh, look at him.
Oh, oh. Hi, friends. Hello.
I've got one more pee.
I love that little blue shake.
For me.
Oh, oh. Merci beaucoup. All right, fight over it. No, just kidding. Don't fight over it. Be friends.
Come this close because we stay out of their pond. Should we walk around? There's a shaded spot we can go around to.
I'm still in your shade.
Still in my shade. You're using my shade?
The ladies and which ones are the boys?
The ones with the blue.
Oh wow, look at that one over there.
It's a big, handsome juniper. Look at it. This big boy.
There we go. Oh, nice throw. What'd you find?
Ooh, I like this
Oh, not in
little wall over here.
Cool, huh?
That's a naughty leaf.
Ooh, look at the berries.
Oh, and there's this nasty ivy.
What's an ivy?
That's what this is. It's very pretty, but it's very invasive.
But they're cool, huh? Juniper berries.
Do you remember that show, The Adventures of Juniper Lee, or something like that?
Yeah, that was. I remember writing that down as my favorite show. Like in like early elementary. So I have a little paper with it.
Cute.
My favorite show that I wrote out the whole name.
Hello.
Did your feet jump up?
You don't want to hurt the grass.
Oh. Shit. How come the mom sees us play with the babies? How come so heavy?
You want to sit where I'm sitting? No, it's cool. Let's just start walking soon.
You want it in your shirt? Go down.
Can you give me a piggyback back?
Maybe. Maybe. That was a deal?
She might overheat.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. Oh my god, oh, look at brown.
Baby thistles.
Leaves.
Maybe they're fruit.
Well, bug eggs.
Hello, beautiful.
He's always leaving sea squirrels.
You know, I wonder if that's a fox squirrel.
What?
He's trying to pretend that he's not coming over.
No, throw it really far, baby. Hello?
Hello. Hello. It's too close.
I'm an old man. This glorious tree has graced my path. Look at it. An incredible burl. Really cool lichen growing on it. All the way up high, I can see all that. What a handsome specimen. Can anybody hear the crows? Oh, there they are. I wonder what they're calling over. Magnificent. Kind of looks like some native goldenrod for him. Flares. Hello? They almost kind of look like they're in the Dianthus family. No, that's probably not true. They look similar enough. Can't really tell. Oh, yeah.
Probably bugs. Oh, jeez.
That's cool and gross at the same time. You guys want to see?
Hello. Found the secret way.
Oh, thanks.
Can you get down?
Oh, little baby acorns growing.
Baby what?
Acorns.
Mm-hmm. There's a whole bunch in the backyard. Yep. So this is it.
That's cozy.
Right.
Seems like the type of place you should see deer.
Up and up you go.
Let's go, my love. I'll follow you.
There's lots of spiders. You like it? You guys can take this home.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm here forever.
With a spider in it.
I didn't see any spiders in it. Oh, pretty little Jade. I hope this slightly different style of vlog was still enjoyable, and I would love to see any feedback you might have for this type of video versus my other ones in the comments. So anyway, thank you for being here, and I really hope to see you in the next one, and I hope you're doing well. Cheers. Have a good day. Bye.